I will be giving a full review of this multi-utility kadai and a demo of how to cook in the kadai. The kadai comes with 6 different plates in which you can cook many food items. You can cook stuff like idli, dhokla, momos and a lot many things in the kadai. The multi-utility kadai is a stainless steel kadai and is of a very good quality. This kadai has heat-resistant handles and knob. It makes it easy to handle and cook with the kadai. Now let's check out the different plates given with the kadai. The multi-utility kadai has 2 plates for idlis. So you can make 7 idlis at one time in one plate. Also the idli molds were big enough. You can make equal size big idlis from this mold. This second plate is used for making steamed momos, patra, muthia. This plate is also big enough to make food in good quantity. So now these are 2 plates for making dhokla. Both the plates are round and properly made for making good steamed dhoklas in it. Now this is the last plate used for making mini idlis. You can make small mini idlis for your kids or parties at home. Now I will be giving a full demo on how to cook in the multi-utility kadai and also how to use these 6 different plates. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram at @thekitchenclever. You can check out information about some kitchen tools and some latest recipes on my Facebook and Instagram account. Now first let's see how to cook this steamed hot idli in the multi-utility kadai. So these are the 2 plates given for cooking idli. Though they have given 2 plates which can be put together in the multi-utility kadai, I prefer keeping one idli plate at a time for cooking. This is because when the idli gets fluffed up in the bottom plate, it gets stuck to the top plate. Now you have to carefully put the water in kadai. It should only be 1/4 of the kadai. This is because when we place the plate, the water may touch the plate and the idlis may get soggy. Now grease the oil on the idli molds. Do grease the oil thoroughly in the mold. Please do subscribe the channel if you like the video. Also, do hit the like button and the notification bell icon to get more such interesting updates. Now pour the batter in the idli molds. Now close the lid of the kadai and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Your hot steaming idli is ready. It is perfectly cooked and is soft and fluffy. Now it is a bit difficult to remove the plate from the kadai. I usually remove the plate with the help of the napkin. Just hold the handles with the napkin and pull it out. You have to be very careful while removing the plate. Now add some water in the kadai if required. Now once again put the idli plate inside the cooker, grease oil and pour the batter and then make steaming hot idlis. And your next batch of idlis is ready. You can also make steaming hot dhoklas with the dhokla plate given with the kadai. It is the same process. Grease oil on the dhokla plate, pour the batter and put it in the kadai. And your steaming hot dhoklas will be ready in 10 to 15 minutes. You can also prepare muthias with the steam plate given with the kadai. Steaming hot and delicious muthia can be made in the kadai. All the plates given with the kadai are big enough to make food in good quantity. I had also prepared some steamed momos in the kadai. Overall, I found the multi-utility kadai very good. It has made my work very easy as it has different plates for different uses. Also, as it is made of stainless steel, it is very easy to clean it. I also found the plates big enough to make good quantity of food, which helps me make food in less time. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you, and please do not forget to subscribe the channel.